Guys, welcome back to my channel. I went to the market today and I decided to buy this stand and the net and charcoal of 500. So today I'm going to be making local yam and plantain, roasted yam and plantain. So I have my yam and oil sauce. Don't forget, I'm also making oil sauce. I have my yam. I'm going to cut I'm using half of the yam. So after cutting it into 4 pieces, I'm going ahead to peel my plantain. You're gonna enjoy this recipe, so please keep watching and stay tuned. And let me tell you something, the standing and the charcoal, I bought it at a cheaper rate. I bought the standing 1.5, I bought the net 1.5, and I bought the charcoal 500. So you can do same, and I'm doing it at the comfort of my kitchen. You can see how my stand is small. So I'm done peeling my plantain. Please, if you love this video and you have been watching and following me, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that when we post new videos you'll be able to see it. So I'm going ahead to arrange my fire. Those of us that don't know how to arrange local fire, watch me as I do this. Let's do it together. So I'm going to pull my charcoal first of all in my stand, arrange it, make sure it is it's set, you know what I mean now, it's ready. So after that I have a little kerosene in my kitchen because I also have a stove apart from gas. So I'm going to sprinkle my kerosene on top of my charcoal, and I use carton to light the fire and put in the charcoal. Most of the charcoal in this thing in my stand is iron charcoal. That is why you can see sprinkles of fire, but you can use normal charcoal. But I just like the mixing. I like mixing the ordinary charcoal and the iron charcoal. So guess what, I also bought fan. So I'm going to fan this charcoal of mine so that it will light in every places, as in the whole charcoal will get light. So just follow me. It's very easy to make a local fire. Very easy, guys. I know some of you will be thinking it's hard, but no, it's very easy. You just need sort of what will make your light to okay. As you can see, look, my charcoal is already bringing out fire. So some of my charcoal has already light. So I'm going to place my net and place my yam, and I will still keep fanning. I folded my net when I bought it. That is why it's as if I'm struggling to set my yam well on the net. But don't worry, I'm going to handle that one. That one is small case. So I'm going to keep blowing it, and I'm still trying to adjust my net, because I don't want my net is making my food to go up. So I'll keep fanning. You can see the light is coming up, is rounding, is lighting all of the charcoal. My yam is already getting done. This is very simple, the comfort of your own kitchen, not outside. So my yam is almost done. It's getting done. So once I get done, you have to turn it. Oh my god, the back of my standing is burning. I will use water to quench it. It's a new stand, so when next I use it, it won't light like this. The fire will not be burning from the outside. So I used water and off it, and I use my rag to clean up the water. I'm inside my kitchen and I have to keep everywhere clean and tidy. My food is almost done. Yes guys, I cut my yam into 2 pieces when the 2 side got done off camera. So please don't forget, look at the shape. I cut the round yam into 2 pieces. So we are going ahead to make our oil because my yam is already done. So for my oil sauce, I'm using red oil, fresh pepper, salt, seasoning cube, 1 seasoning cube. You will enjoy this sauce. I bet you are going to really enjoy it. So I used my hand grater to grate my fresh pepper, and I poured it inside. So when you finish doing this, you can put a little hot water in your pot and place this oil on top. But I love eating my own raw. I don't know, most of us that like pepper like me, I like eating my own sauce raw like this, and it's very very sweet and delicious. So guys, I'm done with my oil. I'm done with my oil sauce. As I said, those of us that don't know how to eat oil, you can place it on the fire. And this is my food. I cut the yam into little pieces and my plantain, and my food came out yummy. Please the guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next channel. Don't forget to try this recipe at home. Bye.